Hello everyone, welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, we will show you how to show hidden icons on Taskbar in Windows 10, so you can easily manage and display important system icons on your screen. Step 1. Click on the Start menu and then click on Settings. The Settings app is where Windows allows you to control system preferences, appearance options, and important features related to your taskbar and notifications. Step 2. Click on Personalization from the Settings window. This section controls how Windows looks and behaves, including background, colors, and taskbar options that affect what you see on your screen. Step 3. Click on Taskbar from the left panel. The Taskbar settings page lets you manage icons, notifications, and system tools that appear at the bottom of your screen. Step 4. Scroll down and click on Turn System Icons on or off. This option allows you to control built-in system icons like volume, network, battery, and clock. Step 5. Turn on the toggle for the system icon you want to show on the taskbar. Once enabled, the selected icon will immediately appear on your taskbar for quick access. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips and fixes.